Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming through. If you are new to my channel, my name is Nika Friedel, aka Nika F, and I welcome you all to my channel. I really wanted to use this colored Raine eyeshadow palette. I forgot the name of it actually, but it's the new Vivid Pigments, and I just really wanted to do a pretty quick look because I'm actually like running behind time. I've just been like living my best life, and I already know I can't hang, so I'm hella tired and I'm starting to get bags in my eyes and all that great stuff. So we're gonna just do the eyes first, and then we will speed through the makeup application because you've seen it several times. I was trying to get some inspiration. It's also hard because I got these new lemonade looking braids with the blue at the bottom. Can you see them? Yeah. Got these really cute braids, but I wasn't really thinking that, you know, when I'm doing makeup, because of the braiding hair, I don't know, it's synthetic. Makeup and blonde doesn't work. I mean, I used to get makeup in my blonde wigs like with real hair. So with braiding hair, it actually doesn't come out. I've tried. Because the last time I had my Fulani braids in blonde, it wasn't working. But yeah, I'm going to put my base on soon. But I'm going to start off with my crease color. And I'm using the only real pink. Like this whole shade, this whole row is purples. And then I did all blues. And then that's kind of what I wanted to do, because, you know, you put it in the pan yourself. So I kind of just wanted to keep everything as close to their colors as possible. Yo, I really can't hang because my bags are looking really awful. I went to an art show last night for my friend slash neighbor, and I went to support him, and I'm really happy. Like, he got to do a lot of networking, so it's really cool. And I'll just put in the plug, if you want to like see his art, maybe purchase some art. Well, definitely purchase some art. His name is Blair Kerr, the artist, and I'll put that in the video so you guys can follow him on Instagram and, you know, DM him, purchase some art, you know, before it gets too expensive, because he's gonna blow up, you know. Okay, so now we're gonna do the P. Louise base. Okay, I'm gonna use 0.5. This is the first time I'm using it. So I'm gonna do blues on the outside. So we're gonna do a halo kind of eye. So I think we're gonna do this blue for both sides and then yellow in the middle. This is the G18 from Morphe. I kind of just want to do a dash of this orange. Going into the orange and just kind of want to blend it into the pink a little bit on the outsides. I'm going to put MAC Nylon in my tear ducts. We can proceed with the rest of our makeup. We're going to just fly through it. Look at that. There's already eyeshadow in my hair. I don't know how I'm going to survive this day with makeup on. Let's figure it out. Off camera, I'm going to throw on some Fenty Beauty Fly Liner, add my normal Lily for Sephora Miami lashes, and then I'll come back super slayed. Now I'm going to finish off the eyes. I'm going to add pink under my lower lash line. I think I'm just going to add a little bit of orange as well. Just nicely mix it. First, we're going to add our Bad Gal Bang from Benefit Cosmetics to the lower lashes. So my highlighter just broke, but I'm going to use it anyway. It's the Colored Raine highlighter in Your Treat. It literally came out of the pan and I just had to put it back. Actually, I'm still gonna use it. I am gonna use it because that was the plan. I'm just gonna, this is heartbreaking. I'm gonna just dip into whatever's left, add it to the high points of my cheeks. Deciding what I wanted to do, but I'm gonna go with the royal blue lip because it's makeup and we want to have fun with it, and the royal blue is the only shade that I don't like line my lips for. So okay, and it's also from Colored Raine. It's like I have a lot of Colored Raine lipsticks, but this one just always glides on really well. Alright, I'm going to set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter. My broken highlighter. There's some pieces on my table, so I'm just going to use it. Okay. I'm feeling it. So, this is the final look. Hope you guys liked it. I really enjoy this palette and I can't wait to do a million more looks with it because the colors are just so great and they just really make me happy. Bright colors really make me happy, so I can't wait to do more looks with this. I'll put it on my Instagram and hopefully you guys will enjoy, and don't forget to thumbs up my video and subscribe to my channel because I will be coming with more soon. Thank you so much for your love and support. I love you all. Bye guys. Alright, so this is a little bit random, but I kind of wanted to do a quick check-in just to show you guys how my makeup has like kind of been able to get through the day. I've had on my makeup now for a little over 12 hours, but this makeup, this foundation, the Cover FX Power Play, tends to last me pretty much all day, and I haven't done any blotting or anything. The only thing I have done is reapplied my lipstick because I was eating Popeye's chicken. Yeah, and some what else was I eating? I was eating rice and peas with oxtail gravy. I didn't eat the oxtail. So yeah, I'm a little bit shiny. Definitely not terrible. I don't look like I'm melting. Really enjoyed my makeup today. I do absolutely want to use the Colored Raine palette again because there's so many good colors, and as you can see, it really does show up really nicely on my skin. And I just can't wait to practice and do even more amazing looks, and I just wanted to show you. And these are the NMDs by Pharrell, the Solar HU or Human NMDs from Adidas, and this is pretty much my inspiration for my colorful eyeshadow today. But yeah, so this is what this looks like. I really hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I want you guys to see my looks and help me to grow my channel because I can't do it without you. So I thank you all once again for your love and your support thus far, and I'll continue to make videos, and I will see you all in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.